Good day guys, welcome to my channel Vinny's Artisan Journey. Today we'll be entering my humble kitchen fully packed with traditional flavor and the extraordinary aroma from the Chinese cooking wine. Well, our star menu today will be stir-fried Chinese sausage with basil leaves and Shaoxing wine. Be using Thai or Chinese basil leaves here as it provides a very intense, nice aroma to our dish. As for the Chinese cooking wine or Shaoxing wine, I'm using a more concentrated version. The combination of basil leaves together with Shaoxing wine creates sparks for our Chinese sausage. Here are the ingredients needed: 1 cup Thai basil leaves, 1 cup Chinese sausage sliced thinly, and 1 cup of Shaoxing wine. Firstly, we gotta heat up oil in a pan or wok. Add in the Chinese sausage and saute until fragrant. Although we are using 1 cup of Shaoxing wine, we do not add in at one go. We will add in gradually. Each pouring of the Shaoxing wine should be about a quarter cup. By the 4th or 5th drizzle, we should finish 1 cup of the Shaoxing wine. Add in half portion of the basil leaves first. Continue to stir fry. Pour in the second drizzle of Shaoxing wine. And this is the third drizzle of the Shaoxing wine. Now add in more basil leaves. This is the 4th drizzle. Final drizzle of our Shaoxing wine. So more or less we have used up about 1 cup of the Shaoxing wine here. Now add in all the basil leaves. This particular dish does not only smells good, but when you bite and chew it, every single bite of the Chinese sausage, you will feel the intensity of the flavor and aroma of the Chinese cooking wine in it. Wow, marvelous! I hope you like this secret recipe of how to enhance and enrich your Chinese sausage dish and bring it to another different level. Thanks for watching Vinny's Artisan Journey. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please support me by subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!